Hakuna matata, my country people are throwing a big salute for outside here. You feel call me Michael. Call me Congo Saman. 3 o'clock, now big story time. This afternoon, we go Chakara to talk about how women they don't come out go do match passing for that side for Boya. Say the wahala, it don't too much. Say again for stop. Why they do it? We just come up for that side too. Carry una to go time to for inside Boya for talk about electric poles and where they fall, jingle left and right for inside Boya town. Lately no day, na 7 days today. From Boya to we'll go for that road they call and Katakata road, so for inside Boya, road where they go for that side for Bakuri town. Taxi man they agree for go for that side because road you don't know as to where you know they at all. Minister for trade. If you sign some communication for outside. For seekers, some fake product, they way it is circulated. People don't chop the canned product. There's some product they way you land boy again for enter for field. Move on first before they fit talk to anyone and they found that continue for chop. They don't do better work. We will show on a small time. Snake Master, alias doctor for that side for Kumba, pieces for inside Kusala, where he go for go catch fish inside na snake here and snake fight to stay alert catch am. He don't alert die. He did not for mortuary after here with the knack to this afternoon. From that side too, we Chakara Tori talk about gun where it turn is also the hala for that side for no even though na 2 days this way market is not open. Business people don't confuse. Why market they lock? Why Kitu they flow for town? Why all the one they happen? No man feeling not to for talk about things it go on for that side for Amenda. Then we will talk to about Palava Elekam. Good news for SDF. March pass we begin for take on for this side for Douala for number 15 days. He no go hold again. Why? Elekam don't give good news. Say this so they no go vote again. For inside Kitu, their houses, for inside presidency, they don't go vote. They go vote now for public places for inside the presidential election. Continue. 30 days. As I come back, we enter with that Tori proper. May we start for Naktori this afternoon for talk about strike for that side for Boya. This time around, na Mukusa woman them. They be there on strike. They come out, go for that side for Bongo Square for Boya. She done for down, whole peace plan them. Any man, he carry on message. May we not stop for chop soya for our picking them. Stop for rape we are picking them. We are picking them, we need for protect them. Schools them, na property we need for protect them, the more for sick I say future for our picking them, it didn't for palava for education. All the women there, they come for that side say so it don't too much. French man talks say throw. Say it don't too much. They don't overloss. They don't confuse. They don't know whether they're gonna left or they're gonna right. Say me all the one is stop. It happened that today. For that side of Boya, for Bongo Square where the woman there, they go for that side, whole peace plan. The thing where they find and now. Since we will sing this song, peace, peace, peace. Peace. Nothing really happen. Say what way they want and now, na peace. Make peace he come back. Me begin to go back for Sukuru. Me up market and they open back. Me begin and then they die like a fowl. Me go stop for the hala. Like how the hala for that stuff for Bamda. Even though no man he never allows to like a ruler. But whether I don't die or not die, the one who know, not the one who to talk for no. Rolando who come over that side for Boya this afternoon. So come over that side. Carry we go time for that side for Yaoundé for talk about Minister for Trade, small glad he there for your heart. No ask me why. Oga Minister, he be glad for Sika say he be write some letter be there where we join with Minister for Commerce writer for outside saying and say this so palava the why they call and say fake products, some fake product. Me say the white man could they put up for inside canned product then the canned products then with the corn then so they just na find come for white man country. We'll get the best corn for Cameroon. Yeah? It's a con you come for you for go for that side. But they put the owner, carry and to for instance gong them, work and they don't use na fertilizer or can't think sometimes they don't ever conserve and find put them for inside back them. So minister be sending land boys and say this, so me they go for field. Me they wipe, clean market. Me market them for better way. In land boy and two they go they find because they will be here na conversation on corner with the enter Cameroon na find. And the man import the product in na douala here. So, Oga Minister, he do their own work for say this, so they don't bring the product and they get for destroy them. And we show up any man where you see that packet. So, if you don't buy that very particular corn, go for your hand and go carry them, burn them. Roland, show me that bag for corn them again. Eh? Show that bag for corn, me people see them. Any man you don't buy the corn for any supermarket. Rolando. Yes, well, I better boy show me that back for corn them so me people they say I'm fine so that any man don't buy that corn, make it go carry and so go destroy and for security that corn, it not be fine corn at all. So let's give you show me people they say no. You the show now, I never say me show my face. Oh boy, what in the worry you now? Eh? Voila, now the bag they this. If you don't buy, you get any corn for house where they so we get the color. Oh boy, carry am now so. If your mommy don't buy them, or your papa don't buy them, carry and say go through them. When pack and say they talk for television, tell me they take and go through them. Because don't be me I talk. Now, Oga Minister Luke Malga Tangana, Minister for Trade, they talk, okay, mu ask Oga Minister, est-ce que vous faites go trade the corn, na fine corn, or no be fine corn, vous faites choba, or no faites choba?
You know, the legislation, the rules in our country, you know that trade, import, export are free. So it's a question of, you know, individual responsibility. But as far as the government is concerned, we are very vigilant. And as we have done it for this frozen corn, when we receive any alert notice or any information concerning a product, we act immediately and we withdraw those products from the market, from the consumption.
No be me I talk. No be me I talk. Na minister is Luke Maga Tangana na chakara the story for inside the one. We come for that side carry una go for that side for Yaoundé where woman born pikin take care for pikin for 7 years. Decide for kill that pikin for go sell private part for sika say he want go white man country. Oh he born carry woman go white man country. Tell where gendarme come for take that woman. Alas, if they not be used na power, now for the back, now for inside the carton where they meet up, it picking the head where don't cut them. Hey, woman, hey. So nobody try for asking 1 or 2 questions. Instead talk, say don't only picking for his sister. Tell we call his sister because the woman name na Janet and a Baza woman. So that way he on the put on the suspect, he cut and after talk on the talk, the mix talk. Then they want go look do small in the discuss. So he don't take the other part for picking them, put them for the play record for inside house, struggle for put fire, me house catch. How to say again? This time around when you go more pay for your cry, you go more pay. In Nami. One time, now so alert it blow before gendarme and police they be one calm. Oh boy. Quarter we don't come out say me the BT killer. Now in that way stand so for that sala innocent woman when I kill they simply be join fire. We picking the remaining part for body, he food them and he hand them. For say make it burn and me catch fire for that side house to it knife for catch fire. All boys for that quarter they say this so they go must feel it. They say that they go home and patrol when Mr. Jesus when he gets some restaurant for that side because he works some restaurant for Yaoundé. Say this so they kill and cut the part them sell and for say me market begin work and fine for doing ritual day. Now I say no, I don't know nothing. No me have my play don't bring am. He the only tell me say this so he want going for one man country. He want enter belle for Ndogofao. Say one man country over find plenty. Say all thing want and only for go one man country. It means say if you tell say me give say so ya 3 times, 10 times, or 100 times for say me pay flight for say me go one man country. You go must go. Now that way brother talk. They say no. Even if most way be talk say this so he picking now his sponsor say no. If he say one can take a picking for doing he say no he picking for a guy play. He say he want go so go take picking me. Why I tell you about it if you go take picking so he no get picking for us. All that one for that side, gendarme will police the alas use na tear gas for Chakara population. Alas, Madame Janet would all people wey they be suspected for that side. They carry am go for that side for gendarmerie for some they talk wetin really happen and make them say do their own investigation. Discover how he partner here, how his own sister say be talk am for that side come say woman, hey, una go do done. Bush falling. May God save Africa. We get out for Africa. Oh. We not wrong go for Russia. Woman country. We out in the flow for you. They for you enjoy. We not go for that side. Now proper so far. Oh, now we'll continue. We continue now. We not this time around. We carry. We not go for this side for Yaoundé for talk about better news. SGF. They receive with plenty glad. Match party where SGF, political party of the main opposition party for Cameroon, if we don't start saying this, so they go march for Douala, for Sika say, Elekam, you need the one answer their reply. After many times they don't write letter, send up for Yaoundé, they write letter, send up for Leka, of write letter, send up. Say this so, Palava vote, where they vote for inside presidency. That one na mago. So that one automatically they already chief. Palava vote, whether they vote for inside military office them. See that one. Now that na extra mago. Say vote, you no get for pass for inside play from governor place. He get for pass now for play with the country public place. Because if something happen for inside military camp, they want judge them go church and after that for military tribunal. If something happen for outside, if he cannot go for court, any man will talk his own. But now how they want go to do Palava election? So SGF we don't plan series so much passing. It go must happen. But alas, good news. It come on yesterday for evening series so. That match passing, it no will happen again. For Sika say, big book for Elekam, you don't talk to this, so no vote, you no go there for inside presidency. No vote, you no go there for inside military place and for inside parliament. So all that one, now good news where people for election, themselves they talk to this, so that one, now better news. SGF too, they clap hand too for them, say, at least, they don't do like that one like say, no be not them. They don't do it like say, no be not them. But when not them do them, eh? Power say it just smile. Hey, politics. We leave Palava politics, Rolando. Carry we go time for Boya. Boya this time around, I didn't play with the call and say what you know say for Boya. Some part them for Boya Latin no day. Today na number 7 day. This electric pole, this high tension cable, it fall na 7 days today. You go for UB light no day. Some part them for Boya light no day. Eh? Why latrate in no day? Electric pole that they just the 4 Django. And here for Boya, we don't know whether they still be active or them too, they don't run check on the hell of that side. Eh? Oh boy, this year, this business man, because 4,000 business man have today, in the future, will come open because the future on time, if you go make mistake, they pull light on the other year, na boom. Oh man, don't lock store. Even though lock for that side, I don't know much when one gun holler, all man just have became lock. Hello, what say they come for us, and God knows holler, come for us. Roland, show me the other picture of them how electric pole in the 4-4. Yes, Siam. This one are cobwebs. Oh, na man go call and say what? See something. Well, no electric. So any man for that side, you go you pay taxi, you go charge phone, you pay taxi, come back for us because that's so Android. I want Facebook, I want WhatsApp, I want to see what you don't have for Bamda. I want to know whether people don't die for Kumba. I want to know whether they want to how. So for that side for Boya, Rolando, show me that road for you to go back with the town. They call that road a Katakata road. Eh? Katakata road, the road to it don't be Katakata proper. Eh? When you enter Boya, you never know myself. You say, leave me for back with the town. That's man go to say no, that road there. No. I need to come for that side. Why you need to go for that side? Road to Idonya. Road Idon nya we you know they to at all as when I take when I took koro and see how this one it happened for inside the country so people they complain for that say where Oga Mayor do something now you don't turn star now be Oga star now for Boya they do something. Even if we became flop one stone there, or they go do now, or they go can't do small patch for that side. People to enjoy to small Boya town. Boya been a fine town. Land where you go for that side, you get small farm place where they knock you so they just you there for some place. But now the land on top in that whole time you for that side. I hate it how they come over time where I need the feeling that very quick make I can go. Where Boya. Any idea? We go just get for support and the way it come. We can pray God make it save us Cameroon. Peace. Now we all man the beg. From that side for Boya, we will go for that side with the Quran say for that side for Kusala for Kumba. So for Southwest. Doctor, come on say he go for go catch fish because they go catch a fish for that side for Kumba water. For that side for Kumba water, what happen with the doctor? Doctor can not even start catch fish or snake can attack you. Doctor start fight with snake. So the snake bite in two different handed. Snake bite the other hand, bite the one, but he succeed catch the snake. This snake so he see they alive. Doctor carry that snake. Pastor Oman talk to doctor go hospital, oh, doctor go hospital. So woman even start crying for Kuma. For that for Kusala, doctor go hospital, oh, doctor say, mommy, I don't get money. I go take money for side. I won't carry this small fee, person buy even a 500 or 1,000 I put up for my qua. But no nothing not there. Eh? Doctor come on go reach your house. First thing when doctor do oh boy, he say when I bring me collars. When I bring me collars, so because if I don't bring me collars, something gonna happen. The end collapse for doctor. You see see I bite in other hand, bite a finger of this side, still bloody come out, and the snake is still alive, but you don't hold it. He say no. It should be wish. If you can how me, I will finish you. Now doctor did time we don't reach for compound for that time for Kusala. I did that thing me no people say no Rolando. Eh? Doctor read now for a house. They give collars. Doctor give all collars. Roland vote from people to see how doctor Allah do for that side with this snake for that side where they so if the end na collapse doctor Allah's corner some different trauma say man we get hard. I bet can't cut with this snake. Cut in neck. The man to come struggle for cut and snake strong to take it tanga we no dey at all so as na say una take una two korokoro I see am. But alas they cut neck for the snake. At the cut neck for the snake doctor woke up as he wash his hand. From the place where she done so, a doctor wash his hand. Oh boy, now die that too. Before the one carry himself for this for Wasapita, he just die and die. Now I did not gonna tell you so. Doctor, he did not for co-house for that for mortuary for Kumba. Eh? Kumba boys they not even wait say they so. Doctor don't die, they will do na high. They not even fear whether that snake they so now we snake on our way to you. The first of all, they just make na hot pepper soup for that for Kumba. Hot pepper soup where all Kusala boy, all man say if I don't chop that snake, if I don't taste that snake, you see how they're not collapse on you, but the doctor cut the neck, they cut the neck there. Doctor, where do they for whole collapse? Because hand is hot, the hand below is high. He call I bet let me cut this snake in neck. Before the snake bite man again. They cut them snake to tangle like what because the collapse to know don't sharpen and fine. Oh, but cut that to the man picking. They cut neck one time, allow the structure for cut the neck. Now by four they cut the neck say they give the head for one side corner, Kusala boy and two the enter now. Make now hot pepper soup, chop and be doctor now he did for that side for mortuary for co-house for that side for Kumba. Eh? Say doctor, where if you be go hospital quick like if for to be alive. He said there's some money no day, till they need to work over Kumba, till they need to show, light on turn on one side. Oh boy, pepper soup oh, hey, Rolly. Mr. Live, I don't come for your tongue of your mopo. Kumba boy, he need the yoke. Kumba boy, he need the yoke at all. So as anything will happen for inside the country. More come for that side for Kumba this time around for talk about Palava doctor where it is so it do Onkai Rogo. Come back for this time for Bunaberi precisely for talk about prevention routine for that side for Bunaberi. They come and do their own small fun work for that side and they go study work now for the play the corner so they go for that side for Bikoko for Bunaberi. It will be a surprise for plenty drivers them. Where at them to say they come for that side, they don't know see this so routine and they road, they don't know see this so serious control the road and a mix. When you just see them breaking, it just put small 1,000 for inside docky, you don't go and check. It game they go open and they see 1,000, they look at me they say no, the book never correct, bring me your bordereau. The one they discover an overload, now so they penalize them. Even the 70 them they want the load motor, what time they will come in every work out time, they only give them under sanction. They say the one they can control, they take choco for 1,500. The one you only pay at 25,000, 30,000, 50,000 for that type of gum na equa. If you get your money for that, you pay. If you don't get money, they write book. They say hi, motor do get pay. The motor 30-seater motor never ever get pay. You don't turn a pick up. Hi, motor get pay. Even Samuel driver they say they be carry shock. Where they say where now can control don't come out today so the one na wati. But they say all the one that for make me accident it reduce for road and make all this one where they talk about back to school me picking and two if you go back to for school for better way with no trouble. And the one there for the Douala they do their own. For that side of Babu Sam, Orlando, carry we go to that side they call themselves Full Sam. Now so road safety too for that side where they talk about 100 deaths for that side, for West Region, for Palava road, them for talk about Palava, ask them for road. All they want, so them too, they come out, they join, gather, go for that side for Carrefour Bamboom. You will come out Chang. You will come for that side from Babenda them. You will come out Bafusam, when the only comment on for that very Carrefour, and they put that spy them for corner road. When you run to catch a they flash you. They say can't pay money. You can't pay your own small for that side, and they talk about Palava overload for that side for West Region. Palava high speed because road is fine for some area then small. So tell me they see small play road fine, so they match fire. They say all that one, they only give you a sanction. All the one they do for make me back to school. He go back for better way, and then they enter too for any bus. They talk to if driver overrun, una call we are. People say yes, Oga. If it's time for us to carry one passenger, una call we are. They say yes, Oga. But when passenger come for us, say, "Una no want the hell of una brother." If now you be there for the car road, they leave you so you to go glad. So all this one they do, and they say that for make sure they me back to school, it be effective for that side for West Region. And me picking them too, they not die there for inside ball because when picking they die, meeting a future for Cameroon, where they did the kill and so out 19 happen for inside. They will country so. Now the small story that will get them for that today, out 19 happen for inside our country. But we talk small Palava business for that side. With Rolando when I hit the press button. Carry we go time for that side for Susan for talk about live bilingual nursing and primary school for that side for Susan. Deeper Life Church, now they give as personal gifts for Susan people. Even though they give extra water, njiba for drink. They take for right, same picking and two, they give for drink for water for inside Sukuru. But neighbor and two, they go more enjoy them. School bus, it didn't a check up. Classroom, they didn't a nyap. Two blackboard for inside one classroom, nothing na two picking a children for inside classroom. You just me say, when I put Tom Benz so learn for this side, I say no, now we'll go for English side, we'll also learn book for this side. School two, na pay the one at the second year, where that school established and a Deeper Life Church, he do it, he hammer that one so for better way for that side. So any man for Susan, if you take that thing number, call, you go register your picking because you know next week, even though for that school fees for this school, Nigerian money. But we asked on teachers for that side for live bilingual for Susan. I made a tell we live bilingual now can school and now what way you don't come for do for Susan.
Live bilingual is the light of Susan. Live bilingual is the light of Susan. Live bilingual is the light of Susan. Live bilingual is the light of Susan. Live bilingual is the light of Susan.
Yeah, I don't hear. When I live and so where? I don't know how come I get light. Any other countryman that is small that will gather for that today, we will come back tomorrow for bringing more updates about how to know it go on for inside the country for other to time them. But anything that happen for your quarter, your village, call for that number. Ring that number. Even a business story. Ring that chicken number 2. We'll see how we cook for now for better way. Anything happen for your anything we see and we infect you for your quarter. Send them for we. Through that chicken number for WhatsApp. We say we'll see how we arrange a small cooker for make us me all man to it for inside country. You know to it happen for your own side. As them too for their own side and make us me know to it happen for your own side. Yes. You feel call me Michael. Call me Congo Saman. Tomorrow another day we will come back for some more Chakara Tori.